In this video, we are going to show you how to add transit time on your Shopify account. So you need to be logged in, and once you've signed in and you are in your admin dashboard, you want to click on settings on the lower left corner of your screen like so. Now, once you are in your settings, you're going to see your main menu here on the left hand side, and we want to focus on shipping and delivery over here. So click on shipping and delivery. There you go. And at this point, you're probably going to have some shipping profiles, right? Custom profiles for shipping. And all you need to do is click on this option here. If you hover your mouse, it's going to be highlighted in light gray, right? Same color as here. So click on this one. And here, you're going to have some shipping options depending on your profile. So for example, this is your default shipping profile. You want to click add rate, right? Like so. And this pop-up will appear. Now you're going to change your rate type, custom rate name, custom delivery description, the price, so on and so forth. And under shipping rate, there's going to be some option here, but for right now it says custom, so it is on custom. But once you've set up everything here with your real store, you will have other options here, and you can choose whatever you want for that specific product. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.